wrong encoding. There's wrong encoding sometimes because of secretary of values of comparison tree. So another cause of the conflict or overlap. Teacher changes
Naman tao.
one reason would be there is conflict in his or her teaching schedule in our universities or part-time faculty member, CEO. Or another would be
Videohan natin.
there is conflict in his work, in his main work outside. Another where
Ako yung next na ulam dali. Pagbukas mo, ay buka ko.
Another reason would be the chairperson of the college assigned two subjects at the same time to one teacher. Okay? So, those are the
Tagal mo. Half lang.
one main reason is that
Hindi mabuksan.
there's no review or double check. Now, why is there no review? Why is there no person assigned to double check or to review the subjects in time?